Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will discuss an example of correlation coefficient in which we will deal with calculator and calculate correlation manually. Example is taken from the book written by Sher Muhammad Chaudhry and page 407. This is an example having two variables, one is x and other is y. Calculate product moment coefficient. It means this is correlation coefficient. The other name is product moment coefficient between x and y. So we will consider this data and calculate correlation coefficient. First of all, we will write here x and then y. All the values of x and y. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And y values are 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. Consider the formula of correlation coefficient and make necessary columns. We know the formula is n summation xy minus summation x into summation y over square root n summation x square minus summation x whole square into n summation y square minus summation y whole square. According to the formula, we will need xy. So compute the column xy. The product of 1 and 2. So 2, 5 into 2. So it's 10, 9, 4 into 8, 32, and this is 35. Next, we need the sum of x square. So x square. Square of x values 1, 2, 3, the squares of these values. So 1, 2 square, so it's 4, 9, 16 and 25. And one more thing which is needed is y square. So y is 2, 5, 3. So taking the square of these values, we will get 4, 25, 9, 64 and 49. Now next thing is to get the sum of all these columns. Okay. So summation means take the sum of xy column, and summation x square means take the sum of x square column. So all these calculations are now on the next screen, this one. These are the sums. 15 is summation x, 25 is summation y, 55 is summation x square, 151 is summation y square, and 88 is summation xy. By using all these values, we will compute the formula of correlation. By substituting these values in this formula, we will have this one, the result of this one. By simplification, the result of numerator is 13 and result of denominator, first half is 10 and second half is 26. By multiplying this and taking the square root and divided by that value by 13, so 13 will be divided by the result, we will have the answer of correlation, which is 0.8. So 0.8 is the value of correlation, which shows that there is a strong relationship between x and y, because it's the value which is near to 1. जैसे जैसे वैल्यू 1 के नज़दीक चली जाएगी, हम जानते हैं कि ये कोरिलेशन जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होती जाती है। तो 0.8 काफ़ी 1 के क्लोज है, इसलिए हम ये कहेंगे कि एक्स और वाई जो है उसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन है। ये बात आपको बताती है कि जैसे ही आपकी एक्स की वैल्यू इंक्रीज करेगी, वाई की वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज करेगी। तो इसका मतलब है कि दोनों में रिलेशनशिप जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग भी है और पॉजिटिव भी है, दोनों में इंक्रीज एक साथ ही आ रहा है। द वैल्यू ऑफ कोरिलेशन इज 0.8 which is high and approaches to 0.1. So we can say that it's a strongly correlated. In other words, there is a strong correlation between x and y. Both are the narrations which about the correlation coefficient. We always write interpretation about the correlation after the calculation. Thank you so much.